Hey everybody, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. So, part 3 in our quote-unquote ultimate fire starter series, right? So part 1, I showed you guys how to make them. In part 2, we made them soaking wet just to see if they would burn. And in this one, and this is going to be another challenge that I received, we have put in a bag with water and it's frozen absolutely solid. We're going to chop that thing out and see if it will burn. And to be honest, I have no idea because I never tried it before, but we'll find out, right? So, here we go. Okay guys, well before this gets very loud, just a question. I saw a lot of comments in the outdoor group that a lot of you started making these, right? If you have and you have experiences with them, please leave a comment below or leave a link below because I would love to check that out, right? Okay, put on your earmuffs. We're going to make some noise. Alright, well let's get rid of a whole bunch of ice here. Get that out of the way. We'll get this out of the way. Alright, get some ice off of this guy. And this guy is very, very frozen, as you can see. Come on. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this whole process, and I know it's kind of boring, but I don't want you guys to see me cut frame and replace it with some other fire starter that's not this one. Alright? And again, I absolutely don't know whether this will burn. I know if it does, it will make a lot of noise, which is fine as long as it burns, right? Okay. So now that we have that, let's see if I can break this in two. Which is kind of hard to do, but I want to expose the inside, right? That's where the cotton is. Now, I doubt it will take a spark, but that's not the point. The point is, if you have, let's say, 1 or 2 matches and that's all you have, in very cold conditions, you want to make sure they work, right? This thing will burn a long time, so let's have a go. It's starting to make a lot of noise, as predicted. I'm gonna burn my fingers there. And let's see if we'll make it work. Well, okay. And to be honest, I think the reason why it's not burning is partially my own fault, and I'll explain, right? So, the outside's wax, so it protects the cotton from water, right? Makes sense. Okay. Now, when I break this in half and I start holding a match to it, the ice is going to melt, it's going to drip onto the cotton's going to be wet, it's not going to burn, right? So I still have a piece left here, and let's see if I'm really careful if I could make that work, right? Okay, so I'm going to open that up a little bit, and I'm going to make sure that no water drips on that cotton, because I don't want this to fail because of human error, right? So let's have a go while we're at it, right? Okay guys, so I think we can officially say that frozen solid is not something that will work. Now, because I love a good fire, I'm not going to give up this guy, but we're going to go a bit nuclear, so hang on there. And we're going to take in this guy, and because we're going to do that, I'm just going to get rid of this wood and put something in there that will leave my shop in one piece, right? Alrighty. Because burn it shall, right? Okay. Now it's still frozen solid. The question is, what's going to happen? Will it continue to burn, or will it simply go out? Let's give it a second. So I would say, would you be able to get this started with a mag stick? No, no chance. Could you do it with a match? Well, with a whole bunch, maybe. But it does burn. I already received an additional challenge from you guys, and what you guys want to know is, will it burn under extreme wind conditions? So of course we're going to do that too, and you're going to see that in the next video, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit that sub button and that bell thing, and I'll see you in the next one, right? Thanks for watching.